Thursdays here on Kababayan LA are always full of music. Ito naman po ang isang istorya tungkol sa isang lugar na pwede nyo rin puntahan kung kailangan nyo ng Pinoy music fix, and that is Jeepney Asian Grill. Let's watch this. Ang jeepney ay nakasanayan na nating makita sa Pilipinas, pero dito ngayon sa Amerika, may paanyaya sa lahat ng mga kababayan na pumasada sa kakaibang jeepney, ang Jeepney Asian Grill sa Cerritos.
Well, the whole idea of jeepney was to try to reach out to a wider market. See, here we've noticed that the market of younger Filipinos are really looking for something new. And we also see a lot of non-Filipinos, mainstream Americans that are looking for Asian food. And there are a lot of other Asian food like Chinese or Korean and Thai food around, and we felt that, well, Filipino food should be out there. And so we made an effort to reach out not only to Filipinos but also to non-Filipinos. And so we came out with this concept of Jeepney Asian Grill, which is Filipino food, Asian food, done and presented very well at very reasonable prices.
Iba nga daw ang Jag sa mga karaniwang Filipino restaurants dito sa Los Angeles. Bagay na napapansin din pati ng mga Filipino-Americans na dito na ipinanganak at pinalaki. Hindi man sila sanay sa Filipina-style na lutong Pinoy, swak naman sa panlasa nila ang mga putahe sa Jag.
I think what it is, it's not like your mom or your grandma's food. Not that that's bad. I love my mom and my Lola's cooking, but there's something different about this because it's not, you don't feel like you're going to die with all the oil, like, to be honest. But it's very clean and it's very filling and it's cheap. And I think that's what it is, like with a lot of college students I see pass by and, budget.
At dahil nga malinis, malasa at healthy pa ang mga pagkain sa Jeepney Asian Grill, pinapasok din ito maging ng mga non-Filipinos. Ariel, are you aware that this is a Filipino restaurant?
Well, yes, I am. Yes.
What brings you here?
Well, I really like the vibe, the music. Every Wednesday with Dylan and the Fuss. It's good music, good people, and the food is obviously really, really good. Specifically, I really like the lumpia because a lot of my friends, I grew up with Filipino friends, and they would always make lumpia. So I come here and I eat lumpia. Pretty much that's all I eat. Yeah.
Pero bukod sa pagkain, may ibang panghatak din ng Jag, musika. Alam ng lahat ang hilig at galing ng mga Pinoy sa pagkanta. Kaya heto na ang Pinoy restaurant na nagbibigay ng pagkakataon sa mga aspiring Philam singers and bands na tumugtog ng regular. Dylan, you're one of the regular performers here at Jeepney Asian Grill. What brought you here?
Well, we have a show that we did back in July 2008 at a coffee shop. It's a grand coffee shop. And we basically outgrew that show. And we wanted to get a bigger place. And Jeepney actually offered it to us. And they have food here, and it's double the space, unlimited parking. And I'm a Filipino, and they have Filipino food, which is really good. And that's why we're here, So we host a show. I host a show every Wednesday. So. Well, we come here. One of the reasons, the big reason, I believe, the food is outstanding here. The presentation of the food is really good, and the shows it's a collaboration of music. The music really brings a lot of people together. Young Filipinos, young Asian, anybody. They're doing music. You can see it all over YouTube, all over. There's just so many things that are happening.
Kamakailan ipinagdiwang ang unang anibersaryo ng Jag, kabilang dito, pinarangalan din nila ang ilan sa mga community drivers na tumutulong sa Filipino-American community. Pagpapatunay lang ng Jeepney Asian Grill ay hindi lamang lugar ng kainan, entablado din ng kantahan. At higit sa lahat, hindi lang isang Filipino business kung hindi nagtataguyod din ng Filipino community.
I think, well, number one, they thought it out, Janelle. This was a whole year in the making. I know they consulted with a professional Filipino-American chef who's actually pro Pinoy cuisine in Rodelio Aglibot. So he helped design the menu for them. Well, I think it's not just Filipino business. I believe it was something like 85% of restaurants that open closed within their first year. So they're already ahead of the curve. They're here in their first year. They're opening. I think this, who knows where this could lead? And I think it's so beautiful that it's named Jeepney because it takes you on a destination.
Here we go. Here we go. Loud as you can. That's why I want you to. Very nice. Drop all your love on me.
bago ng paraan para magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas. Magpadala hanggang $500 sa kanilang Smart Money account simula ngayon hanggang June 30th,